इतलो तेंप तुमी ते न्यू बोरी ब्रिजाचेर इश्यूचे झगडटा फाटीं ऑफिशियल्स येयले सगळे फुडें कितें जालां मागीर?
See, now for us the new Boring Bridge is become a blow hot and blow cold issue. Sometimes we are getting very happy news that our Honorable MP Mr. Tanawde has asked Centre for funds around 400 crore to restore the Khazans. So we are very happy about this news. Forget restoring, whatever that is existing and active, we find that we will be first coming into that clause and that bridge will not cross over us. We have explained to them in 100 ways what will happen.
To the officials, Moth officials.
Even the technical people came over there, they too understood what has happened when that missing link was being made. What has happened to the small area? If that can be brought back to original position, they have said no, it cannot be done. Correspondence is going on. I have got letters coming from PWD to me that contractor will look after. Contractor came and said it cannot be removed because it has become stable. That mud has got mixed with the chicos and all. It cannot be removed. And he was not biased. He was very, very open when the thing comes to them. He spoke openly. Now we got all not only apprehensions. See, we know what is our Khazan. So even if we allow the bridge to go of the 50,000 thing, the rest of the Khazan is gone. And how many people will be displaced? The land that will be destroyed will be around 4 lakh square meters, and people that will be gone 100 means families around 3,000-4,000 people are surviving on it. Now we can't allow that. Another thing, that pisciculture also will suffer because there's that chiote and that fish which is that particular. No, it cannot grow in mud. Now if you go to Nuve and this side wherever that is, you get sweetwater fish mixed on. That cannot survive over there. Same thing is this fish cannot survive over there. So these are all these things to be seen. So you are pisciculture and agriculture, both.
No, but where the issue has reached? Any consensus or kite? Tumka sazmala
yesterday our hearing was there in NGT. I have not got the details, but they said it was good on our side. So I will get the details today. I will get the details what exactly has happened. Now, just now they sent a message to me that our rejoinders to the reply which were there with the land acquisition officer, they are adjudicated, orders are passed. Now I don't know, I have not got the order in my hand. We have got our lawyer. Either he will collect it or on Monday we will go and find out what exactly has happened. After reading the orders, if they are going against our interest, then we will file a writ petition.
The High Court?
Yes, there is no other choice. There is no other choice. We will do whatever that we can to save our Khazan.
But they are, even the MLA or government is saying alternative saving the Khazans.
No, there is, see, they came, they saw another thing where at the edge, and then they said no. Because what happens, wherever it goes, even some part of somebody who is having 1,000 square meter of his field, if he is going, lifetime he will not get anything.
So sangta to hai dista tasha na, dista to hai ani disti pota pe tasha na.
Let me tell you one thing. It is not possible to save the Khazan, our Khazan I am talking about, and also have the bridge.
Oh.
No.
So it is difficult.
Difficult.
So kone kidai sang? Reality jagyar padai jalar dusri tha.
No. Even the scientist who came for the debate that day, he told.
So what happened? Then bridge, that means no to bridge.
No. When they say new Boring Bridge, understood? There is an existing bridge. If they can come out with some solution over there, they can have the bridge.
Options aha?
They'll have to come and see. We have told them last time also.
Again, yeah,
because that Portuguese bridge was there, that was already acquired land. Plus this, how much land do they have which is already acquired them, which they can make use of. Because in the village, this 30 meters and 45 meters to acquire land, somebody's houses will go, chapels will go, churches will go, something or the other will go, because it was not meant for this. Now, if here they have their land which is already in the possession, then they can utilize and do whatever they want.
But at the moment, present scenario is, if no to bridge Yong Sakna, if you are destroying Khazan lands.
Yeah, see, finally, if it is decided that no, we don't want to hear anything, forget your livelihood, what is happened, 40 operations, whatever that is, we will take the bridge over. Then where are we? Because government is also for us, no? It is
Yeah.
our government. And our CM has been very considerate. I'm telling you, the dialogues have started. I am very grateful to our MLA also. Whatever people may say, we went to his place, and because of him, there were 3 meetings that we had at chief. Then we even through him, we had an opportunity to meet our Union Minister. Nitin
So
Gadkari.
MLA was kind enough.
He was kind enough, because without him, this opportunity would not have been there for us. So now even the
So MLA ने help केला तो तुमका तुमच्या में.
even the center knows that this is the difficulty. Our difficulties have been projected and conveyed, and it was through him. I am very happy for our MP also for sumoto taking up the decision over there and informing him. It helps us a lot, and we are grateful to our Vijay Sardesai Bab and Venzi and all whoever took up our issue. We are grateful to them, because what has happened, our state is like this. We are fallen in the well. Whatever we can hold on and come up, this is our state. We can't fight a system. We can only appeal.
So at the moment it is like bridge येता त्याला खजानलेट्स का पडतले खजानलेट्स among the bridge ना.
Yes, you can't have both. You can't have both.
Thank you.
That is a settled issue.
Thank you.